On this short quick video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat something went wrong. Hello guys, first thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps. So all what you have to do is wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find Snapchat. When you find Snapchat, click on it like this. Click on force stop and then go to the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and then go back, click on the power usage details, and right here click down here on this force stop. After that, go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 8 seconds and then disable it, and then go to the Wi-Fi. All what you want to do here is disable the Wi-Fi and enable it like this. After that, restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.